Hey guys, another Ares 0083 video review. This is the last of the Metal Gear Solid guys that are still alive from part 2. It's Revolver Ocelot. Well, now he can be called Liquid Ocelot. Out of the guys from the first Metal Gear Solid game, he's the one that I like the less. I mean, the coolest one was, I guess Sniper Wolf because of the boobs. Well, but this guy, he was the least liked of all of them. He comes with two 45 caliber guns. I mean 45s. I think they're revolvers. He comes with one here and one in this holster. Like with all McFarlane figures, the articulation is has a lot to be said about. The sculpt is good. McFarlane does have that they make figures that look really good, with the windswept coat made out of soft plastic, and the hair is made out of soft plastic too. Even though he likes cowboys, he's Russian. Well, you'll see that on the Wikipedia link on the side. Alright, let's go into articulation. He has his neck is articulated at the base, so you can't move his neck much. It's a swivel. He has a joint here for the shoulder, which goes around. There's no elbow joint. There's nothing there. He has a swivel wrist. On this side, shoulder joint, it's kind of a ball. See? Can move up and around. Has an elbow joint here, but there's no swivel, so there's not a lot of poses you could get out of him. Has a cut wrist here. Has a cut waist and cut crotch joints here. Man, McFarlane. He also has you see, he has knees. The Matrix. Doom, 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 doom. And let me see. There's no ankle or toe articulation. Sculpt is awesome, but the figure is lackluster. I'm hoping that McFarlane gets the license again, if they still have the license, that they release some toys based on the new game, and that they go retroactive and go make toys of part 2 and part 1, and maybe even delve into the NES territory, make figures from that. He only comes with these two guns and a piece of Metal Gear Ray. If you're like interested in picking this figure up, eBay is the way to go. Or you could Google Revolver Ocelot toy and see if you could find him on the internet in maybe another store. So that's my review. It's short but sweet of Revolver Ocelot. See you guys. Bye.